Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's video, we're diving into the best 10-inch adjustable pipe wrench on the market, the Workpro 2-piece adjustable wrench set. Whether you're fixing a leaky pipe, assembling furniture, or doing a quick repair in your garage, this set might just be your next toolbox essential. Let's take a closer look and see why it stands out. Right out of the box, the Workpro adjustable wrench set includes two sizes: a compact 6-inch wrench and a more powerful 10-inch wrench. Both are designed for versatility, making them ideal for home repairs, plumbing, garage work, and everyday DIY tasks. These aren't just basic tools, they're purpose-built for the homeowner who wants quality without paying a premium. Now, let's talk about the build. These wrenches are made of drop-forged chrome vanadium steel, a material known for its durability and strength. They also feature a sleek black oxide finish that not only adds to their professional look but also helps prevent corrosion over time. This means your tools will stand up to humidity, moisture, and tough job site conditions. One of the most important aspects of any adjustable wrench is its ability to stay aligned and secure during use. That's where the Workpro set really shines. Each wrench features laser-etched dual scales, both SAE and metric, clearly marked on both sides of the jaw. That allows you to make quick, precise adjustments without guesswork. The worm gear is smooth and reliable, giving you full control over the jaw width without slippage. It's this level of accuracy that makes the set great for both novice users and more experienced hands. Let's break down the jaw capacity. The 6-inch wrench has a max opening of 15/16 of an inch, which is about 24 millimeters. Perfect for smaller nuts and bolts, like M6 through M14. The 10-inch wrench opens up to 1 to 5/16 of an inch, or 33 millimeters, suitable for fasteners up to M20. That extra reach and wider grip make the larger wrench ideal for plumbing work or larger mechanical tasks around the garage. Just remember, for best performance, avoid using them on rusted or oversized fasteners beyond their capacity. Comfort is also a key design feature here. The ergonomic handles are rubberized and feel great in the hand. Whether you're working on a longer project or doing overhead work, they reduce fatigue and offer a non-slip grip. Both wrenches also come with hanging holes, a small but convenient touch for organizing your workspace or garage wall. In terms of portability, the compact design means they fit easily into most toolboxes or tool bags. Whether you're storing them in your home toolkit or taking them to a job site, you won't be dealing with bulk or weight issues. Together, the set weighs just around 1.4 pounds, making it light yet tough. If you're a homeowner, a DIYer, or someone who wants a reliable, well-built adjustable wrench without breaking the bank, this set is a solid buy. It's especially handy for general-purpose work. Think plumbing under the sink, tightening bolts on bikes, or repairing garage shelving. To wrap up, the Workpro 2-piece adjustable wrench set is more than just a basic tool. It's a well-thought-out combination of build quality, design precision, and usability. With its durable crossing V-steel construction, wide jaw capacity, dual-scale accuracy, and ergonomic comfort, it earns its title as the best 10-inch adjustable pipe wrench set you can get right now. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, so you don't miss any of our future reviews. This is Product Critique. See you in the next one.